my spirit is deeper than you think. My soul is listening to the spirit of my ancestors. My ancestors are providing the way you think you provide. My ancestors are not beggars. How do you think I can be a beggar? Begging from something my ancestors never begged. I know my history and destiny. I know where I am coming from and where I am going, and that helps me reach my destiny. I know how and when, only me ancestors know I have a calling. That is why I am always calling from those who I do call. My ear and soul never lose my calling. The way I'm calling, I believe they will listen to my calling. Africa cry, Africa cry, Africa cry, Africa cry. Our motherland, our forefathers' land. We will never forget the way you suffer. We will never forget the way you fought. We will never forget the way you were punished for our lives and souls to be free. Africa cry, Africa cry, Africa cry, Africa cry. Africa never go poor. Africa was born rich. The greener pastures of our ancestors. I hope I can go back to Africa, where my forefathers and foremothers were born. But it is hard because of the system that took away our identity and our Africa system.